Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we will be solving this past question, WAEC past question 2020. Solve 1 all over 3, open bracket 5 minus 3x, less than 2 all over 5, open bracket 3 minus 7x. Now, if you look at this question critically, you will see that it is a question under the topic inequalities. Yes, inequalities. Therefore, the rules and regulations of inequalities must be followed to solve this question. So let's get into the solution of this question. So the first thing is that we have a fraction multiplying what we have in a bracket. So at both ends, let's say the left hand side and the right hand side. So let's get the fraction to multiply each of the variables that we have in the bracket. So in this case, 1 multiplies everything at the top. Remember that this 1 over 3 can be written as 1 over 3 multiplied by 5 minus 3x all over 1. So it's the same thing. So less than 2 all over 5 multiplied by open bracket 3 minus 7x all over 1. So it's the same thing. So this is what it means. So don't get confused about multiplying this by everything we have in the bracket. So this 1 multiply everything at the top. This denominator multiplies everything down. So 1 multiplied by 5 gives 5 minus 3x, because 1 multiplied minus 3x remain the same thing. Then 3 times 1, 3. So at the top we have 1 times 5, we have 5 minus 3x all over 3 less than, so here we have 2 multiplied by 3, so that gives us 6. 2 multiplied by 7x, that gives us minus 14x all over 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. Now we have this equation left. So from here, what do? What we are going to do is to make it a straight one and not longer a fraction. And how can we get that done? By cross multiplying. So to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, what do we have? Meaning that this denominator multiplies this numerator, and this denominator here multiplies this numerator. That is cross multiplication. So it makes it to become 5 multiplying 5 minus 3x. The sign still remain the same. Then here we have 3 multiplying 6 minus 14x. So when we multiply 5 times 5, we have 25. 5 multiplied by minus 3x, we have minus 15x, less than, we have 3 times 6, 18, minus 3 times 14 gives 42x. So now we have 25 minus 15x less than 18 minus 42x. What do? We collect like terms. So when we collect like terms, we have 25. Then this 18, when it comes here, becomes, we have 25 here. We have 25. When this 18 comes here, it becomes minus 18, less than, still remain, we have minus 42x. Then this is minus 15x. When it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 15x. 25 minus 18, that gives us 7, right? So that's 7 less than minus 42x plus 15x. So we are owing somebody 42 naira and you pay 15 naira, you'll be left with, you will be owing 27 naira. We'll be owing 27. So in this case, we have x. So that would now be minus 27x. So remember, you have to make x the subject of the formula. So what you do now is to divide both sides by 27, minus 27. So from 7 less than minus 27x, we divide both sides by minus 27 minus 27. So minus 27 cancel this. We are left with 7 all over minus 27 less than x. So we can equally say x is greater than 7 or minus 7 all over 27. So it's the same thing. So when you say 7 all over minus 27 is less than x, it's the same thing as to say that x then is greater than minus 7 all over 27. So whatever option that you have, you can easily pick the correct one. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.